Aasalamualaikum. It's a raw fact given in a variable or constant. Here, guys, we are learning about what is literals. So, to learn this kind of concepts, be kind enough to stay tuned with me and be kind enough to like the videos and also share my channel to as much as possible. And also like the button and also press the bell icon. So, to learn literals, here are definition of literals. Literals is a raw data given in a variable or constant. Here, the literal word is referred as constant, but let's say literal is a raw data given in a variable, which means the raw data. Suppose we are defining a variable called lit, and that value is 12, and the 12 value is literal, that is constant until and unless we are not going to change that value. This is how it works. The true value does not change until and unless we are not going to change that value. Understands, guys? The true is a raw data given in a variable or constant. It is a constant because until and unless we are not going to change that value, it will not going to be deferred at any kind of state, at any kind of obstacles. It is we, what we define and what we get. There are various types of literals, and there might be numeric, string, or boolean. So to learn these three types of literals, stay tuned, guys, because my future videos will be on those topics with the demonstration will be uploaded. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much. Be kind enough if you like me, like my videos and like the button and also share the videos. Thank you.